Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to split full names into first and last name columns in Google Sheet. First of all, open Google Sheets and make a table. Over here, write in the name. For example, I'm typing in Tony Stark, Captain America, and Steve Rogers. Okay, here you can see I have typed in three names. So now what I have to do is I will be selecting these three, and in the above tab we will be looking at data. Click on it. Now over here look for split text to columns. Click on it. Now in the separator section click on space. And once you click on space, you can see that the last name and first name is separated into two other columns. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.